Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $70,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power sunroof, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.